Hey guys, how's it going? Kevin here again with a short video. Everybody probably has broken a rod tip at one time or another, and I happen to have one here right now that's broken. I've actually got two that broke. This one got caught in the door of my truck. It's my wife's pole, so but the tip of it broke off on the very first fish that I caught with it. After that, I've got some spare tips here, but my pole is a heavy action catfish pole, and I don't have a tip big enough to fit it, so I'm gonna have to order one to fit it. I thought I had one coming. I got this set. I ordered this kit right here. If you can read that, that is the saltwater rod tip repair kit from Eagle Claw, and it came with one I thought was going to be big enough for mine, but it's still just a little too small. So we're going to fix the wife's pole here and get it ready, and we'll get another one ordered for mine. So you don't need much when you're repairing these. First, get her tip up here. I just, if you can see that, it's kind of hard to see in the sunlight. I've scuffed it up just a little bit so that it will hold will catch the glue a little better. I've repaired a few over the years, and I found if you scuff them up, they tend to hold better once you make the repair. So I just took my knife and just scratched it a little bit, just enough to give the glue some edges to grip. You're gonna need a lighter and the glue stick that comes in the kit. So there's not a whole lot to it. I'm going to turn the camera now, and I'll put it down on the work so that you can see it a little bit better while I'm doing it, rather than looking at me do it. Just need these three things. Again, I've got the glue, I've got the replacement tip, and the lighter. I'm going to heat the glue and put a little bit of glue on the pole. We'll put a little bit of glue on the tip here, so as it goes in, it will push the glue in with it, and then line it up, and that should fix our problem. And we do have a little bit of wind. Let's see if that was enough. Not quite, it's getting there. All right, let's see now. A little bit on there, and since I'm not able to get this good and hot because of the wind, I will heat it up again before I stick everything together. There you can see I've just got glue down into the tip of it. So before I stick it all together, I'm just going to heat it up a little bit to melt it. Push it on there. Make sure it's lined up and hold it. I like to hold them for 30 seconds or so, just long enough to give that glue time to dry. And you'll notice there's some extra glue that is squeezed out. That's okay, it's supposed to do that. Once it is set up good, I will take my knife and trim that off. Had to eyeball that to be sure it was good. All right, and with that, we're done. I'll let this glue stick cool down. I'm out in the sun now, so it's not cooling down terribly fast. I'll take it in the house in the AC, let it cool down before I wrap it back up and put it in the tackle box for storage. And that's all there is to it. I don't know how long, it never does say on these things how long it should set before you use it, but I typically give it an hour or so, and once it's dried on there, I get to it and go to fishing. We're going to be out there this evening, guys. We're going down to the Cumberland River. Going to try and catch some fish. We had a lot of rain come through not too long ago, part of Hurricane Ida. The river is ripping right now, I hear. They're running about 30,000 feet a second through the dam. So hopefully with that current, the fish will be biting. All right, guys, I'll see you this afternoon when I get to the river. Thanks. Uh-oh. Jennifer's got one on before I could even get the camera started. I'm still over here baiting hooks. Yeah, got you a blue cat. Good job, Jennifer. All right. Come on, big boy.
Somebody else needs that some clothes.
What do you think about moving?
Oh, I'm good. You are. Whatever you want to do.
I say we relocate.
Alrighty.
We don't seem to be just tearing it up right here.
Nope. Started out with one fish. Thinking it was going to be good fish.
Uh-oh.
Get one?
Might be. Yep.
That's what you get for saying
You heard me say, let's go.
No, wait a minute, hold up.
He must be coming at me. That or he's not very big.
That's what the one did to me. It was coming towards me. All of a sudden it felt like it was nothing there.
I just started reeling in my other line. Yeah, he's not very big at all.
Not better than nothing. Yeah.
Another little blue. Come here, dude. Oh, you done robbed my other hook too, didn't you? You or one of your buddies down there did. Oh, woohoo! We caught a blue. Well, now are we supposed to move or stay? Yeah, Jennifer's got one. Yeah. Bring him on around here. Oh, 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 too far. Give me some slack.
Give you a bath with him.
Got a channel.
He's darker.
Yeah. Get my pliers. Just right in that bone in the corner of his mouth. There we go. Oh, oh. Snag with the other hook. Alright, Jennifer got her a channel. His head's scuffed up. I wouldn't think this small of a fish would be spawning or fighting for spawning, but his head's scuffed up a little bit. But it never turned off. Uh-oh, Jennifer's got one. She's out here trying to make me look bad today.
He ain't gonna be very big if it is.
You bringing him in?
Yeah, I'm just making sure he's still on there.
Ooh, that's a big one.
A drum.
That's a big
Isn't
one.
that a drum?
Look at that beast of a drum.
Aw, he's cute.
That right there's got to be a 27-pound drum, folks.
With my fish. Leave my fish alone. At least I got it. That's 30.
Maybe more like 27 ounces. What do you think?
You better turn that phone off and get my fish off there. Quit torturing that poor fish.
There you go.
Watch
Should
you.
be recording.
Alright. Yep, there's one on there. It's a fight. Ah, cute cat. Not a cute cat. Oh, that hurt my shoulder. Oh. Oh,
Yeah,
talking.
Up to me.
He said, ow.
Oh, my shoulder. Got a mess in the boat. Come on now. There we go. Woohoo, got another blue.